Hi everybody, Angela here. I just wanted to give you a little introduction of some of my favorite newer Usborne titles that we got in last month. I have a lot to show you, so let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to start with our baby books. This is our new Hushabye Rabbit, and it's a great baby book. You can hang it on the stroller or on the side of the crib, and it's a nice cloth book. Opens up. It's got beautiful illustrations. Very cute. And the ears make a little crinkly sound. And there's some texture on this ear as well. So this is a great, baby shower gift, that type of thing. All right, next we have Baby's very first noisy book, Jungle. So we have a lot of these noisy books, but this is our newest one. It is a board book. It's got these little tabs so the child can easily turn the page. So the first one is Monkeys. And if you hear... Great sound quality. And then we have tigers on this page. So really bold, bright colors, great for those, over a year old, your young toddlers, but even babies would like this one as well. And there's some frogs there. This one's a lot of fun. All right, next we have one of my favorites is our Slide and See Subtracting. So this is really creative. It has this little slide bar here. See the little carrots going up, and they can count them. So great for your, 1, 2-year-olds. So they go, 5 little butterflies flutter near the shore. Take 1 away. 5 minus 1 equals 4. And they slide the bar. 5 minus 1, and then 4, and they can count them. So then they have 4 little busy bees. Slide bar goes up. Super cute. So this is First Math Slide and See Subtracting. Next we have a Lift the Flat book, How Do I See? So we have a lot of these. This is our newest one, and this is all about basically the different senses. So how do I see? This one, for instance, how do owls see in the dark? And they lift that flap down with their huge eyes. Their eyes can let in light even when it looks dark to us. So there's that one. How do I hear? How do I smell things? How do I taste things? So it's just a really great book with lots of fun flaps and lots of information in little bite-sized pieces. So great for those toddlers. All right, next we have our Peek Inside Beauty and the Beast. So as we know, the Beauty and the Beast movie came out, so that's a really super popular Disney movie right now. But this one is just so beautiful, the detail and just everything about it. Definitely like some laser printing there on how they created that. And it does have flaps that open up to see the scenes inside of the castles. Little peekaboo windows that they can see through. It just tells this classic story in a beautiful way with lots of hidden surprises. All right, so that's Peek Inside Beauty and the Beast. Next we have one of my favorite storybooks called Babies Come from Airports. So basically this is a viewpoint from, a young boy who thinks babies come from airports because he's actually adopted and all of his siblings, and they're getting a new baby sister from another country. And it's just a wonderful story about adoption and, the innocence in kids and how they don't, realize that babies come from labor, but he thinks baby comes from airports because he doesn't know any different. But in the end, I just love it because it's babies come from love, and that's what really matters. So it's just a really fun, quirky little story. Sure to love that. Okay, next we have a great storybook for like your older kids, maybe like, I don't know, kindergarten, first grade, The Curious Case of the Missing Mammoth. So this one is, a fantasy story, but it also has some facts in there as well. So it's about a woolly mammoth who loses his little brother. And if you open the flap, there he is running away. And he runs into the Curious Museum. So it also has these big fold-out pages. And so it's kind of this little boy searching for this little baby woolly mammoth. So here they end up in like the sea, the under the sea area of the museum. And you open the flap and it says 5 fast facts. It has blue whales are the biggest creatures on Earth. To confuse predators, octopuses change color or squirt ink. So on every page, there are more, facts about what they're looking at. Like this one is all about like Museum of Flight and all these different famous people that flew airplanes. This is about dinosaurs. So lots of great facts there. And this one is just awesome. So a little bit of, you know, fun and fact. All right. Next one we have is Above and Below. So this has been really, really popular. Once again, nonfiction. Great for your elementary. So what's really cool, for instance, this one has the ocean and it shows above. So we have palm trees, coral, and then down below you turn that flap and it has jellyfish, clownfish, squid. Here's one about the river and what's above the water and then below the water. And mountain caves. So the flap is up here now. So once again, above and below, and lots of great fiction, nonfiction detail about animals and plants and fish and all of that. All right, next we have a really cool one that's been around for a while, but it's Listen and Learn, Get Ready for School. So you open this little pocket here and you can take out a little sheet and you put that in there and then you hit go. And it has at school and you press, the child presses the picture and it says the word.
Table. Chair.
I just think that's really cool and really unique. So it's great for when they're learning their first words, and there's like 5 or 6 different cards. Like this one has at school. It also has letters and symbols, numbers, shapes. So I just think that's a really, really awesome book. All right, so next we have our new Dinosaurs Picture Puzzle book. So this is newer, and this is kind of spot the difference, you know. So if you have a little boy or a little girl that loves dinosaurs, this is the book, but it's also teaching them how to spot differences and similarities. So like this one says, "Yum, can you spot what's left of my fishy lunch? Who's wearing a bow tie?" So they look and they search for the creature with the bow tie. This is find 4 paper planes on here. I look like my twin. Can you see him? And on every page there's different types of dinosaurs. So I just think this one's a lot of fun. So that's Dinosaurs Picture Puzzle Book. All right, let's move on to some more activity books. This is our dinosaur activity pack, sticking with the dinosaur theme. And it's got this great little carrying case, right? And then they open it up. So great for, like, you know, if you go to a restaurant or if you're waiting in the doctor's office or car trips. It comes with 4 little books. How to draw dinosaurs, dinosaur stickers, dinosaur quiz book, things to make and do, dinosaurs. So these are really, really awesome. It comes with 4 mini books. We also have a fairy activity pack for those little fairy lovers, so that's a good one as well. And moving on, this is probably one of the coolest, newest activity books. This is Little Bear Needs Glasses. So kind of similar to All Better. If you remember All Better, it was with a Band-Aid and they have a boo-boo. This one is each animal needs a pair of glasses to see. So it comes with these little stickers, all these different pairs of glasses, and you peel them off. They're reusable. And this one says, Little Bear needs glasses, but dogs are not quite right. Little Bear still can't see very well. So you put the little glasses on, and it's just so sweet. Sweet little story. All right, so kind of builds that hand dexterity with them peeling off the stickers, putting it on the book. All right, so there's that one. And then we have, for a little older, we have rainforest masks, which are really cool. It's 10 3D rainforest masks to press out and make. So included, it comes with a green iguana, a toucan, a jaguar, a blue morpho butterfly, a giant otter, like for instance this is the toucan one, and just a great activity. So they punch those out and put them together, and then they can put them on. Here is, let's see, I really love the butterfly one, if I can find it. Here it is. That's what the butterfly one looks like when it's finished. So that's just a lot of fun, a great gift too. All right, we're almost there. Last one is the rubber stamp activities. So this is great. We do have a fingerprint activity too, where they dip their finger in the ink and then press over here, but this one is rubber stamps, which is really cool, and it makes all these different shapes. So they can open it up, They can practice here, make little bugs, and then add spikes and scales to the dinosaurs, print fins on the backs of the seahorses, that type of thing. And then they can, use the ink on normal paper too if they've already filled up all these pages. So it's just a really, really great activity book, great for those rainy spring days. All right, that's all I have. Sorry it was a bit long. I have so many favorites and look forward to seeing you at the party. Bye-bye.